Hey, it's Aaron, and as you can tell, I'm out at a lake fishing. I got my little training rod in the water there. Don't ask me why I'm using a training rod today. Anyway, so I want to talk a little bit about the video that I released a couple of days ago, or yesterday, depending on when I actually released this, about how dirtbags and woke scolds are the same. So I released that video. Reception for the video seemed to be actually really quite good. A lot of the commenters were really appreciative of the outlook that I had. A lot of people felt the same way, but didn't really have anybody else that they thought felt the same way as well. So that's really cool. But along with the video, I did a little bit of a snarky thing. And I tried to use a bit of the drama cycle to promote the video itself. Now, doing that, I went onto Twitter and I basically released a tweet saying I called out every leftist in the left side of YouTube, so come watch this video and see who got called out, blah, blah, blah. Basically being a little bit of a shit, not gonna lie, but also trying to, like I said, use this drama feedback loop that I was talking about in the video to basically try to promote leftist unity. Something that I've done a lot of times, right? I always try to use like some sort of drama bait as a way to promote leftist unity, because it seems like nobody really wants to pay attention to leftist unity unless it's done in some sort of like dramatic form. So that's why I basically did that. And in doing so, it ended up working out exactly word for word the way that I laid it out in the video. I released this tweet, being a little bit snarky, making it kind of seem like I was calling people out, and it ended up working as bait and got a whole bunch of larger creators to come in and watch the video and start basically talking about it. It was the beginning of, like I said, this sort of feedback loop. So I got a little bit of hate, I got a lot of love from a lot of different people, and a lot of good conversations, I think, got started from that. I ended up having a bit of a conversation with Shoe on Head. I had a bit of a conversation with Peter Coffin and a couple of other people, so that was all very, I think, productive, and they may or may not address the topics in a future video, so it'll be cool to see their take or opinion on what I had brought up, and if they have any kind of disagreement with what I had to say, all the better. All we can do is really talk to each other and try to find out solutions to all of these problems. And obviously, I don't know everything. I'm not some sort of super genius. I'm just some guy out here trying to catch some fish. But, you know, I think that the way that I said we could go about doing better with leftist unity is the correct path to go through. But if somebody else comes up with a better idea, awesome. Then that means that we're going to try to do that instead, or as well, right? That's how we have to go about doing these sorts of things. So I look forward to anybody that happens to address any of the points that I made. I look forward to seeing any of that content. And I'm really happy to see that, at least for once in this drama cycle's life, it actually focused in on leftist unity and not something that was dividing us apart. And hopefully it'll snowball in the right direction, because that's really all we can ask for. So thank you very much for watching. I know it was a short video today, but I just kind of wanted to address those things. If you do get a chance, check out all the links in the description box below. Hit that little bell button so you get notifications anytime I put out a video, because they're not going to tell you when I put out a new video. And make sure to subscribe, because they're unsubscribing people every single day. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.